Somebody called me a jerk because because when
somebody called you a jerk. Every day on YouTube, I am called every name in the book.
Who remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be? In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
And the producer.
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Crumb Boss and the producer. Crumb Boss, everybody.
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Ratchet! It's like vomit! People don't eat that! It totally stinks! So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready! Hold on to your crumb buns, because guess what's coming back? Yay! Better, bigger, and so much more exciting! Hey everybody, welcome to Crumb Boss TV. Right now you're looking at a shadow cake. A shadow cake. Shadow. You ever play shadow tag?
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Hi Crumb Boss. You ever play shadow tag?
I think I have.
Why is this called a shadow cake?
Well,
Once upon a time, a long time ago, there was a little boy named Joseph Curry.
That's right.
Who lived in Nazareth, Israel.
Yes.
Who begged and begged and begged and begged and begged.
for a whole year.
Crumb Boss, show me how to make a shadow cake.
Here's your shadow cake.
Yeah, you better figure it out, Joseph.
This is my take on why it's called a shadow cake. This is a very old-fashioned classic bakery cake. It's because the chocolate that's poured over the top casts a shadow over the cake. I mean, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I don't know if anybody else has something else.
Yeah, well, you
but-
know what I'm going to say?
What?
I'm going to say it's called a shadow cake because I have no idea. All right, because I'm not a pastry master chef. Now, go ahead.
How to make a shadow cake in my bakery. You're going to need 2 layers of vanilla cake, but only 1 layer of chocolate cake.
Okay.
So, and when we bake cakes, we bake the layers thicker so that I can cut them in half into 2 layers. So I do have an extra chocolate layer.
Now, these are all freshly baked cakes because of the hurricane.
Absolutely.
Look at everything.
And not only because of the hurricane, because we always bake freshly baked cakes.
Oh, yeah. I'm saying that's so stupid.
Who are you, one of my customers?
Are these baked every day?
Is it fresh?
Is it fresh? I live in Chatham, New Jersey. I need my life. I need my crumb bun and my coffee. Yeah. All right, we'll have some buttercream.
All right, and buttercream, yeah. So the cake is 2 layers of vanilla, 1 layer of chocolate. Oh, let's do this. I don't know how to work this new microwave.
Oh, we got a new microwave for our set. Look. Isn't it cool? We went and spent some money.
Oh, it's easy.
How much was this?
Like $50.
50 bucks. Good deal.
Yeah, Walmart.
Walmart. Yeah. Crumb Boss TV. Shopping at Walmart.
That's right.
Good stuff. Yeah. We don't have Walmart in my country.
All right, so you're going to assemble your cake just like I normally assemble cake. Oh,
Yeah.
Butterfingers.
It's all right. Take your time.
Yeah. Come on, we got to go. It's a blizzard outside.
Oh, we got to film it.
Joseph Corey, I'm shouting you out. He said, Crumb Boss, are you going to shout me out on the white shadow? I said, I'm going to shout you out, in, upside down, left, and right for this cake.
Exactly. Joseph, let me tell you something. Right now, Steph, the producer's filming this, and when I walked in tonight, Crumb Boss goes, we're making this cake for Joseph. So, Joseph, again, this is your shadow cake, okay? Now, you better start making this, Joseph, because I want to see it made in Israel and post it on Facebook.
Don't worry, he'll make it.
So basically, you just did up and down like that.
What does that mean?
You did every other layer.
Oh yeah, alternating layers. 2 vanilla, 1 chocolate. And so you want the 1 chocolate to be in the center.
Okay.
We comb the sides to make a nice decoration with your cake decorating triangle that you'll get in on your cake decorating kit on crumbboss.com.
Okay, so that's how you get these lines on the side, ladies and gentlemen.
See how I did
That's how
that?
you get the lines on the side. Okay,
All right.
so you do that.
And just get the excess off the bottom here.
Okay. So, Crumb Boss, now that your bakery was closed for 10 days, you know, how's it feel to be back?
It's wonderful to be back filming Crumb Boss videos.
Yeah.
That's what I missed the most, I have to be honest.
I know.
But I did spend the week really like getting on Facebook, getting into the emails, answering emails at length rather than my quick short answers. Somebody called me a jerk because because when
Somebody called you a jerk. Every day on YouTube, I am called every name in the book.
Well, no, but here's the thing. On the blog, on crumbboss.com, where you guys go to get all the recipes, you can comment on the recipes,
Somebody
and
called
people
me.
ask me questions all the time.
Yeah.
And so, listen, if I get 25 emails there, 25 on Gmail, 25 on Facebook, 25 on YouTube, that's 100 emails I come home to every day, and I answer every single person. Now, of course, I'm going to be a little bit short at the end of that.
Someone called you a jerk.
Well, so like somebody said something like, I don't even know what the question was, but I just basically said, go watch the brownie cake pop video. We did it. It's on YouTube.
Oh, yeah,
And so
yeah.
somebody else saw that comment and they were like, wow, that was a real jerky answer.
Yeah.
I think because I was so quick about it and I wasn't like, oh, la, thank you, I love you, you're
Yeah,
wonderful.
exactly.
For, you know, I was basically answering the question.
Yeah.
And so somebody called me a jerk because I wasn't writing a paragraph long.
Exactly,
So
yeah.
anyway.
Well, you know what's interesting? Listen, we love everybody. On a daily basis, I am called every name in the book, okay? And I don't care. It's our show. It is Gretchen and Steph's show. We're not going to listen to you. We don't care. If you don't like me, don't watch us. Go watch somebody else, okay? But the whole point of the story is that I'm telling you is that we are, YouTube announced in an email to me the other day that we are the #1 pastry and baking show on
#1,
YouTube.
baby.
And we got this whole title thing, and they're going to be sending us this stuff.
That's Ichiban in Japan.
What?
#1 is Ichiban in
Ah,
Japan.
I thought that's sushi. But anyway, that we're the #1 pastry and baking channel on YouTube. So I'm just telling you, that's the reality. So you know what? It turns out my big mouth and Gretchen's 20 years of experience making cookies and all her wonderful skills and our show, we are #1.
#1.
Yes. All right,
All right.
go back to shadow cake.
Here's my cake. Yeah. Okay, and now after that commercial, let's get back to the program.
Yes. All right, so shadow cake.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. All right.
So I've got my iced cake. I'm melting my fondant.
In our
my-
$50 brand new microwave
That's
from
right.
Walmart.
My poured fondant right here,
Okay.
chocolate fondant.
Nice.
I will, I have to make a separate recipe on the blog called poured icing because it's too hard right now to find it on the black and white cookie recipe. Anyway, 2 little rosettes all the way around the cake. This is what
So
your
this is poured chocolate.
poured fondant, chocolate poured fondant. Yeah, it's an icing. See that?
Nice.
All right, now you need them to be fairly close together because that's where your drips are going to go in between. We at the bakery find it easier to use a disposable bag
Yes.
because that's what's going to control where your drips are going, really.
Yeah.
Are we selling disposable
Yeah, we
bags?
sell everything.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah, right.
We sell badminton birdies.
Yeah, this is the hardest part. Yeah, I noticed. I went on there last night. I
Isn't
wanted
that
to see-
cool?
Yeah, Steph's like, well, where did they buy it? In Japan or in China?
I don't know. Somebody
So,
bought badminton
yeah.
birdies. I don't know. But anyway, yes, we're Amazon affiliates. We're trying. Gretchen doesn't have, her bakery was out of commission for 10 days. We're trying to feed the horses and the chickens out back. You big jerk.
Pretty hot poured fondant. You need
What a
it to be
crazy-
fairly hot.
Oh my God.
See how quickly it comes out? And you need it to be hot so it spreads out like that.
Wow. Joseph,
Right.
pay attention.
Then you go in between those little...
Oh my God. It's like, oh my God, Gretchen, I could never make this.
Okay, and that's how simple it is. Now, what I'm going to do, because we are in fall, well, I should be using snowflakes right now because it's snowing outside, but I'm going to put some cool little fall leaf decorations on this one. And you have to put if you're going to put sprinkles or anything on it, you have to do it while the fondant is still hot like that. Because once it sets up, like look at this, I could touch this one.
That's easy.
I could touch this with my finger and there's no mark because the fondant does set.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
That's cool. So there you have it, Joseph Curry, shadow cake made by the Crumb Boss. Again, find all the recipes on crumbboss.com. And thanks for tuning in, Joseph. Get to work.
Yep, there you go, Joseph. Now stop bothering me.
Yeah,
Just kidding. I love you, Joseph.
Yay! Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at Funhouse TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery.